name is Jamie King, and I'm here at Second Chance University. I'm gonna show you how to braze. And first, you have to sand down your copper real good on both ends so that your solder don't bead up and leak down your copper. So we're gonna do that real fast. Gotta get it real good. Then you put your fitting on there. Got my solder ready. And I'm gonna get this saline. I got saline and then oxygen right here. I'm gonna give a little bit of both. Just a little bit. And I'm gonna light my torch. Pop, pop goes the weasel. I'm gonna bring my flame down and give it a little more oxygen. Saline. Keep it about like that. You want your flame to be kind of wide like that. A little more, so you want to hear it roar a little bit. And now you want to heat up your copper. Start turning red, you want to back up off because you can burn a hole in your copper, like I did before. I've done that before. Then you put the saline on the opposite side of your flame. You want it to bead up. You get your bead, and then you want to put some heat on it so it can kind of spread like water. Sense. Move it all the way around. See how it turn to a gold kind of like copper, aluminum foil kind of look. Once you get it to how you want it to look. Work your way around. You got this bulb right here, so you want to spread it out, put some heat on it. Make sure you get all your spots all the way around. It's going to follow the heat, so check the spots on the back side. Oh, that's nice. Nice good line right there. Got a little build up right there. You try to smooth it on out with the heat. Make sure you get all your sides. That looks about. You turn this saline off first, and then you turn your oxygen off. Make sure this tool's up properly. Then you want to put some cold water on it to cool it down. Cool your copper down so it won't burn you. You won't get burnt by copper, like I did when I first started at second. They ain't tell me about getting burnt by copper. I had to learn that the hard way. Cool it down. This way you can check your copper and see if you got any holes in it. Got conduction heat, so the heat will travel throughout the copper, so it's hot all the way throughout the copper, so you got to be careful with the heat. And I'm gonna just take this off so I can, this is gonna cool down. Ain't too hot. So I can look all the way around. and let you guys see that I have no leaks. And that's it. That's how you solder. I learned this at Second Chance University. Now I'm the best in the state of Florida. That's it.